What's up guys, my name is Andrew and today you're going to learn how to create beautiful professional looking photo collages all on your iPhone and all completely for free. If you don't know what I'm talking about, they look like this. Don't have to be an influencer to make these. They're super easy to make, but let's not waste any more of your time. Let's get right into it. The first thing you're going to do is download this free Pic Merger iPhone app in the App Store. Just search Pic Merger like this, tap this one. It's going to immediately take you to the home screen. Select the photo collage layout template you want. Now simply select add a photo to the collage like this. And we'll do another one. There are a bunch of different photo editing tools. You can shrink and grow your photos. You can change the shape of your photos. You can watermark your photos by adding text to pictures like this. And if you want to change your template, it's super easy. You just go down like this. Once you're done editing, hit save, and that's it. Important note, if you haven't seen my first video on how to stitch screenshots and photos together on your iPhone, I covered that, and the link to that video is in the video description below. It's super easy to do. It's like a 2-minute video. Quick note, the link to download Pic Merger is in the video description below to save you some time so you don't have to go searching.